Okay, so let's suppose you don't have a garden, or if you do have a garden, it's very small, or you previously had a garden at the front of your house, but you've concreted it over to extend the drive, but you want to grow a few vegetables. Well, one of the ways you can actually grow vegetables is to get bags for growing them in. And what I've got here on my front drive are some potato bags. So as you can see, this is our drive. It is a former garden, and the drive was extended over the garden long before we bought the house here. And we bought the house despite the fact that the drive had been extended, because we were after a garden. But what we have here are the potato bags. You can buy these commercially, or I'll show you in a minute how you can make them quite cheaply. So what we've been doing is planting up in the bags a type of potato called pink fir apple, and that is a salad potato. As you can see, one or two of these sacks are looking a bit tatty, but they're quite hard wearing, and they'll certainly last a few years. This one here was given to us just a few days ago. It's already got the potatoes planted in and the soil and compost added over them. Right, the other way to make a potato bag is just get a shopping bag like this. This one was from Lidl. It's the sort of thing where it's a long life bag, but you go to Lidl's or the other supermarkets, you forget to take your bags with you, and you have to end up paying 50p to buy one of these. So if you've got a whole load of them that you've got too many of, then turn them into potato bags. You'll be able to put just a couple of potatoes to plant in there, but cut a couple of drainage holes in the bottom.